back to my channel. I am Soumya Suresh. So, in the most requested video ആയിട്ടാണ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. After എന്താ പറയാ ഒരുപാട് പേര് കുറേ ദിവസമായിട്ട് ചോദിക്കുന്നു Q&A എവിടെ. So today's video is going to be a Q&A session. So before I start the video, thank you so much for 1k subscribers and our channel is growing, our family is growing. And last video Chellama dance coverൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഒരുപാട് പേര് അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞു. Mostly positive and improvement ചെയ്യാനുള്ളതും ഒരുപാട് പേര് മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്ത് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Keeping all this in mind, അടുത്ത ഡാൻസ് കവേഴ്സും ഇംപ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യും ഞങ്ങൾ. So let's get started into the Q&A session. So ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ Eva_Irina ആണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. From which phone you are taking pics and videos? ഞാൻ iPhone 7 ആണ് എടുത്തത്. അതിലാണ് ഞാൻ മോസ്റ്റ്ലി വീഡിയോസ് എടുക്കാറ്. ഡാൻസ് കവേഴ്സ് ഒക്കെ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അനു ആണ്. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ ഹർ ക്യാമറ, മോഡൽ എനിക്കറിയില്ല. ഹെയറിൽ വല്ല സ്മൂത്തനിങ് അങ്ങനെ വല്ലതും ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? അതില്ല, ഇല്ല, ഞാൻ ഹെയറിലൊന്നും ചെയ്യാറില്ല. ഐ ഡോണ്ട് യൂസ് എനി കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് ഓയിൽ. ബട്ട് മൊറോക്കോ ഹെയർ ഓയിൽ, ഒരു ഹെയർ ഓയിൽ ഉണ്ട്, ലൈക്ക് ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് ലൈക്ക് നോർമൽ ഹെയർ ഓയിൽ, അത് ഞാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. ശ്രുതി സാജൻ, were you really happy to get new friends? Obviously ഈ ലോക്ക്ഡൗണിൻ്റെ മെയിൻ ഇതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ന്യൂ ഫ്രണ്ട് ഒരുപാട് പേര് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല ഇപ്പോൾ. ശ്രുതി സജൻ, how did you feel on your first day of your college? I felt very proud to make it into Delhi University because വേറെന്ന് അത്രയും ആഗ്രഹിച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഡ്യൂവിൽ അഡ്മിഷൻ കൊടുത്തത്. ആൻഡ് ഫൈനലി going into the college, that first day I had goosebumps, to be honest. Mia, have you crush on your sister's friend? No, my sister is younger to me and her friends are like little ones. JGM Creativity, Manus, a favorite memory with Sam? Every day, every memory with her is favorite. കാരണം ഒന്നും മാത്രമായിട്ട് പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ബട്ട് ആക്ച്വലി ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ she used to bite my scalp, okay? It's not a favorite thing, but I used to enjoy it. ഇപ്പോൾ ആലോചിക്കുമ്പോൾ I actually did enjoy it because she's a very possessive kid. പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് എൻ്റെ കാര്യത്തിൽ she's very possessive. So ആ സമയത്ത് she shows her frustration and her authoritative nature. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഹേർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് അവളെ ഇഷ്ടം കാണിക്കുക. So that is actually something very favorite. Would you collab with another YouTuber in his or her video? Obviously, I would love to, Adam. Where are you studying? Is it in Delhi University? If yes, for which degree? Abdullah 4. I am studying in Delhi University, Atmaram Sanatan Dharma College, and I am doing BA in History. It's actually an honors course. Donna 41, favorite series right now. I am watching Originals right now. The Originals, it's another part of Vampire Diaries. I'm sorry. It's a spin-off of Vampire Diaries, so it's about the original family. Currently I'm watching that and I wouldn't call it my favorite series, but yeah. My life Maruli. ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും നല്ലോണം ചമ്മിയ നിമിഷം എവിടെയെങ്കിലും പോയി വീട് ചമ്മു. സെയിം തിങ്, മൈ ലൈഫ് മറുപടി വീണ്ടും ചോദിച്ചത്. ഈ ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ ടൈമിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ മിസ് ചെയ്യണത് എന്ത്? ഐ മിസ് സ്പെൻഡിങ് ടൈം വിത്ത് മൈ ഡാഡ് ബിക്കോസ് യൂഷ്വലി വി വർ ഓൾ ടുഗെദർ. പക്ഷെ കോളേജ് ആയപ്പോൾ ഐ മൂവ് ഫ്രം ബാരി ടു കേരള. സോ ആ ടൈമാണ് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ മിസ് ചെയ്തത്. ഐ ഷോട്ട് മോസ്റ്റ് മെമ്മറബിൾ മൊമെൻറ്റ് വിത്ത് യുവർ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്. എവറി മൊമെൻറ്റ് യു സ്പെൻഡ് വിത്ത് ദം ബിക്കംസ് എ മെമ്മറി ലേറ്റർ. സോ യു കാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് പോയിന്റ് വൺ. പക്ഷേ എൻ്റെ ബാറിൻ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനാണ് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഇപ്പോൾ. ഞാൻ ശ്രാവൺ, നിത, സിബി, ജഡു, ഷീനു, ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് പീപ്പിൾ. കാരണം ഇങ്ങനെ we used to go out driving, screaming in the car and dancing in the car with the songs. അതൊക്കെ ശരിക്കും മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Aish HR, biggest fear? Balloons and frogs. Sarga Sudhagran, one more day in my life ചെയ്യോ? Any day in my life ചെയ്താലും now it's always എന്താ പറയുക, ക്ലാസ്സസ്, പുറത്ത് പോവുക, ക്ലാസ്സസ്, അനുവിൻ്റെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വരിക, ഇതാണ് മെയിൻ ഡേ in my life. So let's see. Shrishti, what kind of movie do you like to watch? I like thriller movies, especially investigation kind of series. Then I like feel good movies also. Then real life stories. Kiran Binoy, how does it feel to be a student of DU and also an influencer? Yes, you're my favorite. Thank you, Kiran. It feels good, you know. And being a student of DU, it's amazing. Like, DU is like nice. It's very flexible also. Hectic and Again, Kiran Binoy, how does this phase of life feel? It's actually a very difficult phase, but we'll get through everything. So it's pretty much fine. There is this phase where you miss everything and you get very frustrated, but some people around you, they make it feel better. Arus, എവിടാണ് ചേച്ചിയുടെ സ്ഥലം? ഞാൻ നാട്ടിൽ കണ്ണൂരാണ്. I'm a Keralite. Your biggest inspiration and dream, Akshara. See, like you learn a lot from different people in your life. Okay, so adinda the correct traits that makes you inspire. So there are some people who are very patient. I admire their patience. There are people who are very hardworking and determined. I admire that. So I can't just tell you there is one person. Every day, every people in my life, when each and everyone comes, like when a new one comes into my life, they influence me in one way or the other. So everybody I meet, I learn something from them. Neda Safar, please explain the main properties of F block elements in the periodic table. I am sorry. അത് നിനക്ക് നന്നായിട്ട് അറിയാം, എനിക്കറിയില്ല എന്നുള്ളത്. Parvati, where in Delhi or Kannur? This is a difficult question, Paru. Baran is a place where I grew up. Delhi is where I'm studying, and Kannur is my birthplace. I can't choose. But yeah, Baranile ഒരുപാട് memories, a lot of people. Delhi college friends, college life. Kannur, now very important people are here also, so you can't choose. I would. Parvati, again, biggest mistake done in life. No പറയാൻ പറ്റാത്ത കുറേ സ്ഥലത്ത്, like no പറയണം എന്നുള്ള കുറേ സ്ഥലത്ത് I said yes. So I'm always hesitant to say no to things, even which I don't like. So many things are done like that also. Amus, what makes you happy the most, and one memorable thing which you would like to do it for your family? Time with my friends and family is where I'm happy the most. And one memorable thing, I like spending time with them. Like anything, like recently I posted a story of playing Police and Thief, the chip game, okay. So even that gives me happiness. I try finding happiness in very little things. Ken Adams, why time difference in uploading? Really looking forward to new updates. Actually, I have college classes and I am this person who likes to roam around simply for no reason. So I don't find enough time to take videos. That is why there is no continuous update, that is why I'm not posting continuously. Lakshmi, what is your 3 biggest fear? Balloon, frogs, and any other snakes, reptiles kind of ones. Advait Kumar, what is your favorite vehicle to travel? I love bikes mostly, but if it's a very long travel, I would prefer a car. Prasoon Puducherry, things you feel jealous when seeing others but happy for you haven't. Okay, I guess I'll rephrase this question. I guess he's asking me what makes you jealous when you see, what makes you jealous in others, feel jealous in others with what they have and you don't. Nothing like that. I'm happy for people if they're happy. So nothing like that. Because if I want something, I'll achieve it, because I'm that kind of person. If I really want to do something, I'll do it. Zarina, what is the first thing you notice about a person? Their eyes and the way they talk. Mostly it's their eyes that catch me first. Max Arshu, how old are you? I am 19. I'll turn 20 in 2 months. Ashwin Christo, what makes you more happy? Food or sister in life? If I don't say sister, she's going to kill me. So I'm going to tell my sister. Twin Butterfly, tell about the most happiest moment in life. There are a lot of happy and sad moments. I can't just talk about one. But recently, I can't talk about one regarding happy moments, because Korea and like Oro faces you have one. But I would say every time my dad is proud of me doing something, that gives me a lot of happiness. When he talks, like last time I got an award after my 12th grade and I got into DU, he was very happy, and that happiness on his face, that makes me happy. So I would count that as the happiest moment. What is the reason behind your positivity, Namrata Anil? People, like you're surrounded by lovely people. you get a text from them every morning, every afternoon, every night, or sometimes in a month to check on if you're okay. Because there are a lot of people in your life who want you to do something, and there are people, in spite of what you are, they always love to check on you and always loves to keep you guys close, keep you close to them. So those people give me happiness, other than the ones who try to use you. That is why I'm positive. Lakshmi Priya, your best friend among social influencer. Aishu is my best friend among social influencers. The Endeavor, the thing you hate most on Insta and your Insta comment section. Boyfriend Endo Sechi, this is what I hate the most. Evan LXP, where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? And to be honest, your nipple is curious. Thank you so much, Evan. 5 years from now, I see myself achieving my dream and working like what I want, like working in that field. So yeah, the Endeavor again. Cheyyatha കാര്യങ്ങളിൽ സ്വയം അഭിമാനം തോന്നിയ നിമിഷം. ചെയ്ത കാര്യങ്ങളിൽ സ്വയം അഭിമാനം തോന്നിയ നിമിഷം. Lastly, making it into deal. Again, the Endeavor. What's your daily routine? രാവിലെ എണീക്കുക, പല്ല് തേക്കുക, ഫോൺ നോക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മെസ്സേജ് അയക്കുക, കുറച്ച് നേരം എന്തെങ്കിലും കാണുക, ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കയറുക, അതിനിടയ്ക്ക് ഞാൻ ഫുഡൊക്കെ കഴിക്കും. ഞാൻ ആ വീഡിയോയിൽ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ, ബട്ട് ആഫ്റ്റർ ക്ലാസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ കട്ട് ഡൗൺ ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. I am Pranav. How did you come up with the idea to start something like this? What encouraged you? It happened in a spur of a moment. Like I was never that person who wanted to start a YouTube channel, because it was never on my mind. It just came up one day and I thought I would pursue it. Again, do anyone behave very wrong at you on Insta DM? No, even if some people did, I guess they got the reply. Total WhatsApp contact, 588 WhatsApp contacts. Candy Slavian, extrovert or introvert? I'm not both, I'm an ambivert. The Candy Slavian again, what is your favorite place you wish to visit? Bali. And Paris. Anu Krishna, most memorable day in your life from Bahrain? Time I spent with my friends before leaving. We had this hell of a day that day. We were dancing, we went to different places, I drove the car, so many things happened that day. Allura, have you ever straightened your hair? Yeah, I have done once. Not permanent, just for that day. Dilin Nilin, one thing you will do if you were the Indian PM, I'd make sure that everybody in this country had the opportunity or had the access to food and nobody dies of hunger. Here till end of quarantine, most recent crush. It's a girl actually. I've been stalking her. I'm not going to mention the name. She's a social media influencer. So yeah, it's a girl. Yes, it's a girl. Janvi Tarol, introduce all of your family members. I will. Then Janvi Tarol again. Who is your least favorite member? Family member. I am not going to start a cold war here, so I'm not going to mention that. Anandu Anil. Okay, here is one from my side. How many crush you have currently mentioned? Favorite one. I have one girl crush. I'm not going to mention. And yeah, I have this actor who I'm badly crushing on. He's one of the stars from the original. His character name is Elijah, and he's Daniel. His name is Daniel. Megha Jacob. At what age was your first crush, and how many have you had in the recent years? Talking about crushes, you have a lot, okay? You can't mention it, you can't count them, so they're countless, because it's not like a relationship, it's a crush, it's an infatuation. And what age was your first crush? When I was in 7th or 8th. So yeah, I've answered almost all the questions, and there is one. What is your most when were you most angry? Who were you angry at and why? So see, I am very patient person. I'm a very, very patient person. But with my very close ones, I get frustrated. I show them my angry side, my sad side, all my mood swings. So there's no particular reason. But what I hate the most is somebody changing plans and somebody not turning up on time. This is what I hate the most. I guess my close ones know that and they try to avoid that thing. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you got answers to all of your questions. I'll be coming up with more videos, and till then, bye bye.